Good morning, everybody. So we are back on trail, day 3. And you can tell by my pack, it's not my regular pack. We actually decided to slack pack. So we got dropped off at Jarrad Gap and we are slack packing back south down to Gooch Gap where we'll get picked up.
10 miles or so.
So, well, yeah, a little short 10 miles. But this feels great. It's a nice relief to not have the full pack on today and gives us a little bit of a break. We ate breakfast over at Above the Clouds Hostel. They had a nice spread. Eggs, toast, potatoes with sausage. It was so good. And coffee or tea or whatever you'd want to drink, but I got coffee.
Yeah, big shout out to Lucky.
Yes.
That guy's awesome.
Lucky, the one who runs it all. He's amazing. So now we're just hiking southbound.
Good morning, everybody. Beautiful morning on trail. So, I think Sunflower already told you that we stayed at a hostel last night. It was Above the Clouds Hostel. It's a magnificent place. You guys, anybody who's hiking behind us, 100% recommend you should definitely go there. Lucky, he's an amazing dude. Really, you could tell he actually cares about the hikers. It's not just he's trying to make money. He's a really good dude. Great place to stay. Also, we are slack packing today, headed south. So, for those of you at home who don't know, slack packing basically, we dump our 30 plus pound bags and we just take the essentials in a day bag. Basically, water, food, poop kit, water filtration system, and one extra shirt is all I have. So I probably should have packed a headlamp just in case, but I mean, I have no doubt we'll be out of here by 2 o'clock at the latest. It's only 10 miles, and with no pack on, good to go. Also, one of the great things about going to a hostel is we met some of the coolest people. Last night, we all went to dinner. I think the clip, last night's clip at the end there, it shows us walking down the road. We all went to dinner together. It was a great time. And I think we're coming up on them now. I'll introduce you when we get to seeing them either today on trail or tonight at the hostel. All right, we'll check in with you later. So, those were our friends that we just got up with. I guess we're going to introduce you guys tonight to them. But it's Bougie, Pit Stop, and Fashion. And they are just awesome people. Actually, there's some weather coming in a day and a half, and it's supposed to be 16 degrees and raining. So we've all decided that we're gonna hop off at Neo Gap and we're all gonna shack up. So we all got rooms there, we're ready to go, just to kind of wait out that cold. So that'll be a nice little zero in town with some new friends, and I'm sure it's gonna be some good times. We'll try to get some of that and show y'all what's going on out there too. So, all right, we're just moving down the trail and we'll get back to you here in a little bit.
walking along, came upon this little stream. It's coming right through the trail. If you need water, this is definitely a good place to get it. Just keeps on running. And you turn around and see the amazing views. Coming up to a water crossing. I like these. All right, also just want to let you know, last night, staying in the hostel, or even when you're out camping, you definitely need earbuds with you just to block out any noise. Mine that I have were amazing. They helped me because last night when it came out, or I took them out, you could hear people snoring, and as soon as I put them back in, I didn't hear anything. So definitely recommend having earbuds with you. Find whichever kind you can that will be noise canceling for you, because without them, I don't think I would have been able to sleep. So definitely recommend them.
So Sunflower was talking about having earplugs in the hostels and campgrounds because you can hear other people snoring. I did not hear me snore once. There's a funny story I was thinking about because of that. So I go out to Arizona every year to hunt with my best friend, and we have a camper, and there's like one of my other buddies that camps with us. He snores a lot, and his bunk is like right next to mine. So we decided that I was going to keep a broom next to the bed, and every time he snores, I just poke him with the broom. Oh, he stopped for a little while, and then he'll start snoring again. I'll poke him again. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, it probably is a good idea to have some earbuds or something. Even before I went to sleep last night, I could hear other people snoring, which not a big deal at all. But if it does bother you, it's probably best to get some earplugs or some earbuds and listen to music or something. So, well, that's funny. I just thought I'd share that story with you. I'm thinking about you, Norm. You're my guy. So we just stopped at Preacher Rock, I guess it's called. The view was excellent. There was just a lot of folks up there. We are on a weekend, so couldn't really do a lot of videos. Sunflower did a video with no sound probably. But what a view. Excellent. I could have stayed there all day, but rumor has it that there is trail magic at Gooch Gap. And I believe he's got hot dogs. So I'm gonna get my ass in gear. And I'm gonna try to get a hot dog before he leaves.
So it's a Saturday today, and so there's a lot of day hikers out today. And we've watched so many videos where the thru hikers go by them and you can smell them and they smell so good. And then I feel bad because they're passing us and we've got that hiker stench already. So thank God this is not smell-o-vision, because oh my goodness, we stink. Of course, because we're showering though, but we don't have any deodorant, no lotion or anything like that. It's all natural. And when you're out here hiking, you're sweating, you're moving, so of course you're gonna stink. Going past them, I'm like, oh God, they smell so good. Not us.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm stinky.
That's why I'm walking in front of you.
You stink too.
Oh, sucks to be you back there. So earlier I had mentioned that we were slack packing, and to be clear, the hostel drove us north and we are actually hiking our way back to that hostel south. And as we were walking, one of the guys that we met first night when we stayed at Hawk Mountain Shelter, he just passed us and he's like, hey, you guys are going the wrong way. It's unbelievable how many people we've already met and re-met on the trail. So it's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun out here. A lot of awesome people we've met so far. So we're just leaving Woody Gap and we're making our way down to Gooch Gap, and that's where we're gonna get picked up for the day. And I'm still looking for that hot dog. So I think it's 2.4 to that hot dog. And we're going. Okay, so I just found out it's 3.6 to get where we're going. So I have to go a little faster because I want to get there before he runs out of hot dogs. Yeah, as soon as I hit the stop button, Sunflower said, I think it's further than that. And she's always right, so yeah, of course it is. It's further than 2.4. We'll see you in a bit. So, this is the trail, and it goes up.
All right, just got to the top of the mountain. We are out of breath. Right off the side here is a beautiful view. So we figured we'd come over here, take a breather, and let you see it.
So we just climbed for quite a ways and it was rough. However, you get rewarded Have a look at that.
I'm digging.
And we still have 1.7 miles left to get that hot dog.
We are getting closer to Gooch Gap. Not much longer.
For the hot dogs.
Yes, for the hot dogs. They got pie, I heard, and ice cream. More donuts. See what they got. Somebody even said that they have beer. Oh, I would love a beer right now at the very end of our day. Be perfect because it is pretty warm outside today. I'm very happy that I wore my tank top today so I didn't overheat. And this trail that we're walking through right now, it finally leveled out a bit. It's really nice. You can see all the greeneries popping. Very good day. And slack packing is the best right now to give our legs a break. I wouldn't change it. And just got to keep on hiking.
I made it.